Sheesh. It's been a minute. Hey man, look. What's up, YouTube, bro? What's up, man? What's up, 9SG Nation, man? I haven't left. You know what I'm saying? I'm still here. I came back. You know what I'm saying? Look, y'all gonna get to y'all little vlog, right? But I had to at least apologize to y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's been a whole month since I uploaded something on YouTube, man. You know what I'm saying? People hit me up like, yo, you still do YouTube or what? You know what I'm saying? One thing I did have to learn in this life, though, is you can't burn yourself out. You gotta take breaks sometimes. It's okay to take breaks. We ain't taking no more breaks, bro. Live haven't been the same since I put this camera down. You know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all are being patient with me. I'm not even gonna do a lot of talking, man. Let's go ahead and get into today's vlog. This is a vlog that I did a little minute ago, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to line everything up. I've been shooting, I got hella content for y'all, but I had to record myself real quick and tell y'all that. I apologize. You know what I'm saying? Let's get to the vid, man. Alright, y'all, I just got off work. This is how much we put in for 3 gallons, bro. I ain't gonna lie, man. She looking real beautiful right now. You know what I'm saying? We got a little bit of snow though, or whatever. But she looking real good right now. And she doing good on gas too, y'all. She doing real good on gas. Like I said, we only did 14 for 3. I'm not gonna cap though. 14 for 3 gallons is kind of crazy. But this car gives you like, it gives you at least like 400 miles, bro. 400 miles on a Mustang is crazy, bro. Like, I didn't really even have to fill it up. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. So this is what the inside look like. You know what I'm saying? Something. So nah, I ain't want to bullshit and give me 370 something. But I guess it all depends on, you know what I'm saying? Like, as y'all can tell right here, that motherfucker on full. But yeah, I just got off work. We feeling real good. Matter of fact, what I really want to do was take this shit off right here. There we go. That's what I really was trying to do. Yeah, this eyes right here, man. It's not really doing it. We're gonna take all this shit off. We can't even see what the fuck going on in the back. But yeah, y'all, she pretty as hell, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Gotta be real careful with her too. And I hate this shit right here at the front too. And we gonna go ahead and get up out of here. You know, it's my birthday, man. We got some crown in the back. Man, that shit crazy, man. Overall performance on this car is cool, though. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. Man, I'm telling y'all, bro. A Mustang is definitely not something that you want to drive while it's snowing, for sure. You know what I'm saying? That's exactly what I'm talking about. I wish I had like a GoPro or something. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Got myself a fucking stank. Man, a stank with it. That be pretty. Everybody keep looking at me like, damn, what you be doing for a living? Nigga, I work in a warehouse and I do YouTube and that's about it. Like, I don't know. But yeah, stupid ass. Man, this shit is fast, bruh. I don't know how many horsepower she holding under though. But the mileage is fucking great though. I ain't gonna lie. Like, usually, realistically, bro, if I was to straight up just drive this shit to work, home, and maybe go out like once or twice a week, bruh, this car is lasting me like 2 weeks before I put in gas. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Like, this bitch is sexy, bruh. Like, it definitely ain't now you want to be, again, like I said, driving on the snow now like that. But I thought it was gonna be worse, to be honest. I thought it was gonna be crazy. I thought the car was gonna be like sliding all over the place, just doing some extra stuff. But it's actually doing pretty good, y'all. I can't lie. I'm really not even pushing it.
I don't think I have went over 40 yet. You know what I'm saying? Look at that ugly ass Subaru. Look at this Honda right here next to me. Maybe I should wait for that Honda right there. And it's crazy because look at that lady right there. She look mad as hell. It's crazy when you drive a car like this, bro. You can literally do 10 miles per hour in here. Like, the fuck? People gonna have to go by you. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know what the fuck this is. But I don't like the way this Honda pulling up on me like that. But then I ain't really gonna show. Damn, yo, look at the view though. Like, y'all, I hope y'all really appreciating this view right here that I'm giving y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? It's a once in a lifetime type of view. I wish I had like a GoPro so I could attach that bitch on top of my head or something. You feel me? But yeah, this the car right here. You know what I'm saying? It ain't a lot. This is red Honda right here next to me. I really do want to wait for her to come over here for real. I know this Mustang looking crazy. You feel me? And shit, I can tell, man. That bitch get up. This little bit right here, she can get up. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, she can get the fuck up. But yeah, man. That was my apartments right there. I ain't really gonna show y'all a lot. You know what I'm saying? My apartments right there. I'm listening, yo. This is just a cool little vlog, bro. This is a cool. Ooh, look at that motherfucker right there. God damn. That bitch saying on what, 25? That's some shit you want to drive in the snow, bro. You feel me? I gotta make my move, man. I gotta get the fuck up out of here. Got to go home. Look at this lady, bro. Who she think she playing with? Bitch, you playing with a Mustang right now. Right, get your ass back. Fucking Karen. Now look how far you is, you goofy looking motherfucker. Like, fuck out of here. And yeah, we finna pull up just like that, you feel me? My camera, I need some more SD cards and stuff. So, I'm gonna go ahead. We probably gonna do a whole video today for the channel. You know what I'm saying? If y'all ain't subscribed to 9SG Nation, man, y'all make sure y'all go tap the fuck in. You know, let me know if y'all want to see like a little. Matter of fact, right now, if you still watching this video right now, bro. If you watching this video right now, I'm sorry, I just don't wear seatbelts. You feel me? And if you watching this video right now, bro, spam the number 9 if y'all want to see like a part 2. You know what I'm saying? We were supposed to be. Damn, I really don't. Bro, how the fuck is a nigga supposed to get through this shit, bro? Oh my God, I don't like nothing about it. Y'all, oh my God, y'all hear that? No. That's a lot of fucking ice, bro. This shit is so low, bro. I be so scared. Like, I want to give me a track hawk. Like some shit like that. I don't know. I don't know if that's a track car. That's probably like a damn, look at that nigga plate. That shit hard. That's some shit you need right there though. For like the winter time and shit. And this nigga got a crazy ass Honda right here, bro. I used to look at a nigga like that. But then you know I had to level up on niggas like that. And I used to look at the niggas like this right here. With these Camaros and shit. And, you know, I had to level up on niggas like that too. So, I damn near own this fucking, god damn, that Audi crazy though. Alright. Man, I was low-key struggling, bro. Look at this ice right here, bro. Y'all see that ice right there? That's the light still on. That motherfucker so sexy, bro. Y'all see that shit? Oh my God. I don't know, bro. I never thought I would become a Mustang fan in a long time. You feel me? I never thought I would be a Mustang fan in a long time. But god damn, I think now it's time for me to level up a little bit. I think it's time for me. I don't know about scat packing out. My girl cooking or something. I can smell it. I think it's time for me to actually try to invest into like a Hellcat or something like that. Yo, look what I just walked into. That is crazy. What the fuck? How the hell did she even get all the way up there? Yo, what? She done got me hella gifts. To 9. Babe. Babe. What the fuck? What you got going? She got all this camera. I'm vlogging too. What's up, YouTube? Come here, come give me a hug in front of the cameras.
Happy birthday.
She got done. How tall are you?
How tall am I?
Yeah.
5'4".
How did you get all the way up there?
I was 6'6", standing on my money.
Okay.
Yeah.
Big 21, you know what I'm saying? Big legal in this motherfucker. It's not finished. Oh, look at look at this. Oh shit. Oh shit.